Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create halo eye look. I'll take blue eyeshadow and apply it in my outer corner. I'm going to blend the eyeshadow with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take green eyeshadow and apply it in my inner corner. Now I'll take concealer and make a cut on my eyelid. Now I'm taking a white eyeshadow and applying it in my eyelid where I made the cut. I'll make sure to blend both the colors nicely so that there won't be any visible line. I'm applying glitter on my eyelid. So here's the final look. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.